Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have some brand new Chanel holiday that I wanted to unbox and share with you. They just released a brand new holiday makeup bag set. I've already unboxed all 5 from the first launch, and I was so pleasantly surprised to see that this one was available before Black Friday, because they typically will release 2 more on like Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, but this was available. I'll let you know how I grabbed them. I also wanted to chat with you about all the Chanel gifts with purchase. I share a lot of the gifts on my Instagram and my YouTube, and I get a lot of questions asking how to get them, where to get them, including the mini holiday fragrance and the very elusive Chanel Snowglobe. So I'll share with you some of the new Chanel holiday goodies this year, including where to get them and how to get them. First, I want to thank Blue Nile for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to partner with Blue Nile once again. Blue Nile is the original online jeweler since 1999, and I have been shopping with them for so many years. Back when I first started getting into fine jewelry and I really wasn't familiar with, all the ins and outs of quality and prices and everything, I went to Blue Nile and it was so helpful. Their website is so easy to navigate, and they have experts that are available 24/7 if you have any questions. They're available to talk via phone, via chat. One of the first pieces I picked up from Blue Nile is this beautiful Morganite and rose gold diamond halo ring. I wear it as a cocktail right hand ring. I actually wore it to a black tie wedding last year, but I love this. I got this for my birthday almost 10 years ago. It was to celebrate my first big girl job out of law school, and I have been wearing it ever since. It's a little oversized because I wear it as a right hand ring, but I also can wear it when I was pregnant with my kids. I have 3 boys. But that final trimester when you are swollen and you can't fit into your wedding rings, I wear this as a temporary wedding ring. But this has been so beautiful and has stayed beautifully sparkling throughout the years. Blue Nile has such a wide assortment of jewelry at all price points. One of their collections that caught my eye recently, and I picked up a pair of earrings. This is the Trio Love Knot earrings. I'm a huge fan of mixed metals. I wear all the golds all the time, so I love wearing mixed metal pieces. I got these Trio Love Knot earrings. They also have 2 different versions of these earrings. There's the oversized Trio Love Knot and then the petite, which might be good for like a second piercing. They also have the Trio Bangle, also in 14 karat Italian yellow, white, and rose gold. And then on my shortlist for Christmas this year is the Infinity Trio Diamond Pendant. If you're in the market for an engagement ring or a wedding or anniversary band, I just also got for my anniversary this year, this is the Angled Marquee Cluster Ring in yellow gold. It has a 3rd karat total weight in diamonds, and it's in 14 karat yellow gold. I just love the design. I like how the marquee diamonds are it looks like it's a little bit scattered, kind of haphazardly. I just love that kind of organic look, and I think it goes well with my wedding ring. Blue Nile has some of the highest quality standards in the industry, and they offer thousands of independently graded diamonds and fine jewelry at prices significantly below traditional retail. Blue Nile has very generously offered my viewers a special discount code. If you go to bluenile.com/aheatedmess and use my code aheatedmess, that'll save you $50 off your purchase of $500 or more. All the jewelry I just showed and some new pieces that are on my wish list and my discount code will be linked in the description below. The Chanel holiday sets have officially launched. I got all 5 when they first dropped, and they just released a 6th one. It is right here in this same gold box. It's called the Start Fresh Skincare Set. This set comes in the very pretty navy and gold flecked makeup bag, and inside you get 2 full-size skincare products. It comes with a full size of the Chanel La Tonique toner and a full size of their Mousse Water to Foam cleanser. This set retails for $112, and I was surprised to see it drop so early. In my previous video where I reviewed all the new Chanel holiday sets, I showed 2 sneak peeks of the upcoming new Chanel holiday sets that weren't supposed to release until Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. And so I was really surprised that this was available. It dropped on the Chanel Beauty website. It's out of stock right now, but make sure you follow me on Instagram at @aheatedmess because I'll always post restock notifications. This set is exclusive to the Chanel Beauty website. This is not available at any of the other retailers. Some of the other Chanel holiday sets were available at Nordstrom, I believe Saks, Bloomingdale's, Ulta. I also picked up the new Lumiere Graphique eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like inside. You get the Chanel eyeshadow applicator. These are the eyeshadows up close. It has that sequin design. It's a really nice mix of cool tone neutrals. I also got the new Duo Lumiere Powder Duo Highlighter. This is the highlighter. You have the same sequin design in 2 colors. This highlighter duo and the eyeshadow palette come in their signature velvet little pouch, And the highlighter duo also comes with its own little brush right here. And then because I couldn't resist, I got the new oversized highlighter. I got two versions. This one is in the pearly white, and it's the oversized CC logo in that very pretty pearly white. And then I got the camellia design in the precious coral. This is the precious coral. And this one I probably will use more as a blush, kind of like a blush topper. And this was the special holiday packaging this year. I buy a lot of Chanel Beauty, and I buy it from various retailers. I buy it in store, I buy online. And sometimes my purchases, I'm very blessed to have some amazing sales associates that include these little miniature freebies. So this is a mini of the Gardenia fragrance. This is a mini of the Coco Mademoiselle. And then this year, the fragrance mini has the same white and gold and navy holiday packaging like this box. This is the Chanel No. 5. And with the first round of the Chanel holiday sets, my Chanel sales associate gifted me this little Chanel ornament. I love how they redesigned the holiday fragrance minis because this is this year. And just for reference, last year they had the Chanel No. 5 in their signature red because the holiday bags were also red. So you got, it looked like a little booklet that opened up, and then you have the same miniature No. 5. These Chanel gifts are really hit or miss depending on the retailer, the availability of the gifts at the store, and also your sales associate. I was very lucky that my sales associate had this Chanel holiday pouch, and it's a similar white tweed as the Chanel holiday bag this year. I don't know that any of the Chanel Beauty stores had this. I actually got this from my Nordstrom stylist. But whenever these gifts are available, I always post and tag my sales associate if they're online. And I also post the contact information for my favorite and recommended sales associates in my Instagram SA's Instagram highlight. Now, these are the gifts that got everyone in a tizzy. These are decorative Chanel holiday charms that Chanel uses to attach to the ribbon of your outside like gift packaging. Again, was hit or miss. Some Chanel Beauty stores got these and some Chanel stores did not get these. Some Nordstroms got these and some Nordstrom stores did not get these. I got mine from a few different orders. I know that my Nordstrom had it, a couple Chanel Beauty stores had it, some of them didn't have it though. And then randomly of all places, I got it in store at Dillard's, like at my local Dillard's. Even though they don't carry Chanel Beauty, they carry Chanel fragrances. So they didn't have any of the Chanel makeup holiday sets, but they had fragrance. And so I was able to get a few of these holiday charms through them. Most of the time, these Chanel charms aren't available with online orders, but this year, apparently they switched things up because if you place an order of, it looked like it was about $150 or more, you have to choose the Chanel box packaging, not the pouch. And if your order is $150 or more on some holiday orders, people were randomly being gifted a Chanel charm. And then for the EU customers, so internationally, I posted when I saw this because I was so excited for them. We didn't get this option, but if you live in the EU, I don't know if it's still available, but when you check out, like in America, when you check out from the Chanel website, it gives you the option of picking out some samples. If you're an EU customer, it gives you the option of checking out and choosing one of these charms. So just again, to show you the 3 different options you have this year, you have the double CC, and then the actual charm itself has, it looks like a mini compact, so cute. You have the Chanel No. 5 bottle, and then the mini charm is the double CC in the little circle. And then you have the No. 5 also with the CC on a round little tag. And these all have a lobster clasp. And again, these are supposed to clip onto the ribbon. I mean, I haven't worn this yet. It's a little long for me, but I just have a gold paper clip bracelet that I attach the charms onto. But I've seen people turn these into earrings and necklaces, as a pendant necklace. These are just so cute, and it's just a nice little free gift. The question I get most frequently in especially my shorts and reels videos is, where do I get the Chanel Snowglobe? I have 2 large ones. This one I got earlier this year, and then the gold one I got last year. And then I actually have 2 other snow globes. These are like smaller ornament snow globes, one with the black writing and then one in silver. They both have the mini No. 5 inside, and both of them you can shake up as a little snow globe. This is the size comparison to the larger one. I believe the silver one I got as a gift with purchase from a Chanel store a few years ago. The black snow globe, I got this in my Chanel advent calendar, which they only released the one No. 5 Chanel advent calendar, I believe in 2021, and they haven't released a new advent calendar since then. And then the larger snow globes were gifts from the Chanel store. These are not available to purchase. You can't go out and buy these. I mean, I guess you can maybe on eBay, but the Chanel store doesn't sell these. The way it works is that based on your spending at the store and also through the website, I know that some people who shop specifically only on the Chanel Beauty website, they have received these as a gift. They usually send these out in January, and it's based on your total spend the year prior. So both of these I got through the store. It's not sent by the local Chanel beauty store. The way it works is, I guess, your sales advisor that you work with, or maybe they just see who spends the most, then they kind of like nominate those names up. They go to Chanel HQ in New York, and then in January you get a little thank you note and then the Chanel Snowglobe. So we'll see. I actually haven't been buying a lot of Chanel beauty this year, so I don't even know if I'll get it in January. We'll find out. It kind of just shows up. If you don't make it to the Snowglobe tier, some other gifts that Chanel has sent out were, I believe, like bookmarks or a little notebook, maybe an ornament. So, you know, it varies. There's no rhyme or reason, much like the Chanel holiday releases. It's just kind of all over the place when they're available and to whom and what gifts are available and who will get them. I try as much as I can to share with you if I know that a store does have them available. But the snow globes, unfortunately, you just never know. And then this I also got with an order recently from my sales advisor. Came in this Chanel Chance box that slides open. Apparently it's a phone charm, but it says Chance on here. And I believe this was to promote the release of their new Chanel Chance Eau Fraiche Eau de Parfum that released a couple months ago. This is a phone charm, officially. It has this little loop here. You loop it through. You know, sometimes phones have a little thing. I don't know if I would use it as a phone charm. I thought it was a necklace, and then, you know, I didn't actually try it. This wouldn't work as a necklace, but it's a very cute little beaded Chanel Chance charm bracelet. Again, it just is completely random. This was just sent to me with an order. Other gifts they've done throughout the years were hair clips, hairpins, bobby pins. It just depends on what's available. But let me know what Chanel beauty gifts you guys have gotten over the years. It is completely random. They just come up with these and then they just kind of gift it out. I've been fortunate to be gifted a few over the years, but I love seeing what other people get, and it also varies by country. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Chanel holiday beauty unboxing and just kind of discussing the Chanel VIP gifts. If you're still waiting on a Chanel holiday set, make sure you turn on notifications because I will let you know when they restock. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.